Alright, very good day to all of you. My name is Rayn. I'm the founder of Forex100. So, today I just like to share a bit on what is going to happen. Alright, so you can take your pen and paper out. I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex, and of course this knowledge can be used across everything. Alright?
Chào tất cả mọi người, tôi là Rayn Lim, rất vui được đến đây để có thể hướng dẫn cho mọi người cách giao dịch trong Forex. Mọi người có thể lấy bất kỳ giấy bút hay là điện thoại để có thể ghi lại bất kỳ thông tin về quá trình trao đổi, vì quá trình này sẽ rất hữu ích cho các bạn, dù các bạn đến từ quốc gia nào đều cũng có thể giao dịch được.
So actually by these 40 minutes you will get to learn how to trade and analyze chart like a professional. How good is that?
Sẽ rất là hay cho chúng ta, chỉ trong vòng 30 đến 40 phút chúng ta hoàn toàn có thể hiểu được cách để giao dịch như thế nào là tốt.
So let's get going, yeah? So how to analyze a market, whether is it bullish or bearish? How to analyze a market, whether is it bullish or bearish?
Làm sao để chúng ta có thể phân tích được thị trường khi nào nó đang lên và khi nào nó đang xuống?
There are two ways that you can learn and analyze the market.
Có hai cách để chúng ta có thể học được phân tích thị trường.
So the first way is a very easy method. All of you over here should be able to do so.
Cách thứ nhất rất là dễ, bất kỳ ai trong chúng ta ngồi đây đều có thể làm được.
The second method is a professional way. That means how a professional trader is looking at it. I'm going to teach you today as well. Okay.
Cách thứ hai là cách một cái nhà giao dịch chuyên nghiệp sẽ làm như thế nào. Và trong buổi thuyết trình hôm nay thì tôi sẽ chỉ bạn cả hai cách.
Alright, let's get started. The simple way, when the market is moved from bottom left to top right, is going up. Very simple. Okay.
Cách thứ nhất rất đơn giản là khi thị trường đang từ một điểm thấp nhất và nâng lên thành điểm cao nhất.
And if it's a bearish market, the chart will move from top left to bottom right, correct?
Thị trường đang đi xuống là khi chúng ta nhìn thấy nó đang dần đi theo chiều hướng mũi tên xuống.
And when the market is moving sideways, it's moving a bit, do not have a strong direction. And when you can draw two lines to bracket entire thing, that is a sideways market. So when a sideways market is when the chart is moving nowhere, no clear direction, you can draw two horizontal lines and cover everything. That is a sideways market.
Sideways market là khi thị trường bắt đầu chuyển động lên xuống và chúng ta thấy được hai đường ngang.
Alright, so let's get going. How to do it like a professional trader? Okay, get your notes ready.
Còn chúng ta sẽ làm như thế nào khi là một nhà giao dịch chuyên nghiệp?
So the last trend over here is an uptrend. That means a starting moving from this price to that price is an uptrend. The last uptrend movement move like this, bottom to top.
Cái trend cuối cùng sẽ di chuyển theo hướng lên từ một điểm lên tới điểm tiếp theo của thị trường.
Alright, so when it has a sharp move moving down,
khi nó di chuyển một cách xuống rất thấp,
is it a bearish trend? Yes or no? You have to show me some sign because I don't understand Vietnamese. Translate that. You have to show me some sign. If not, I don't understand. If you understand.
Các bạn có thể.
Alright, so when it moved this way, that means the market is going up, came down. Is it a bearish trend or bullish trend?
Nó là có phải
bearish
là
or bullish
trend, cái xu thế bearish không?
Bearish? No. No. It is still a bullish trend. This is the first break, no count. First break, no count, not counted.
Cái lần đầu tiên này thì sẽ không được tính.
Okay. So have you heard of the word fake break? Fake bull, fake bear trap, bull trap. Use the bear trap, bull trap.
Chết.
Yeah, have you heard of bear trap?
Mình đã từng nghe qua cái bear trap chưa hả?
Bull trap? Yeah, this is what happened. Alright, so what happened when the market has a retracement and have the next break over here? The second break. when the second break happened, it become a bearish trend.
Thì cái lần giảm giá lần thứ hai nó mới sẽ là cái trend.
Alright, so what happened? This blue arrow over here is my sell zone. Blue arrow is
Thì
my
cái mũi
sell
tên
zone.
xanh đó mới chính là cái điểm
Okay.
bán.
So what is a break? Now, look over here. Market came down. This is a bearish candle. Okay. Then it moved up. Came down. The definition of the break is break below, close below. It have to break below the low price and close below the low price. Just repeat this: break below, close below.
Dạ.
Alright, it's okay if I continue just like that. If not, it will can't end. Alright. So over here, this price is where I'm looking for a sell zone. Alright. So I'm looking very close at X. When market retraces back into this area, I'm looking for selling opportunity. So trading, there's a lot of waiting. Okay? You want to try or you want to give up? It's okay. Okay? So the first break and close above the high price, okay? The first break and close above the high price is invalid, cannot trade. Okay? Cannot trade. So what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for a further retracement, come down, and form a new high. It become a buy zone over here. So what I'm waiting for is for the market to retrace below the buy zone box. Why I have to wait for it to go below? Why? If I split the box into two parts, the upper portion and the bottom portion, if the market retraces towards the bottom portion, I will have a very good reward is to risk. You see? So when this happens, I'm waiting for a magic candle. In many times you can see magic candle like a long shadow, a doji, or the spinning top. But of course, my candle have different qualification inside. Okay, if you want to, later you can scan the QR code. We'll support you online. All right. So over here, where is my stop loss? My stop loss will be outside of this buy zone box. Outside. How far away? How far? Don't know. We use 1 ATR, average true range. Average true range set to 7. 7, not 14. Default is 14. We use 7. ATR plus spread. Have you have trading before? Then you say, hey, it reached my take profit. Why never exit? Because there's a spread by your broker. And plus 1 pip. Why 1 pip? Sometimes I miss my trade 0.1. So I plus 1 pip buffer. Okay? So I'll put my stop loss away. 1 ATR, spread, and 1 pip. My take profit, please do not be greedy. Don't aim here, okay? No. This one, you aim, rob the bank. No, don't trade like that, please. Okay? Here. Here. The recent high. So when I see, before I enter the trade, I ask myself, my risk like that, my profit like that, do I have a 2-1 ratio? Yes? Enter. If don't have 2-1 ratio, I don't care. You know, last night, Friday, I was working. I come Vietnam, but I work in hotel, same. Okay, so I was working. I saw pound yen, there's a trading opportunity. 1 hour chart consolidation. I never trade. It hit take profit. I say it's okay. Why? Because the stop loss 35 pips, take profit 35 pips. Not interested. So a trade that doesn't give me 2-1 ratio, I don't trade. Okay? It's just like doing business. You want to do a business that is not very profitable, you don't want, correct? You choose. So I choose my trade. Okay? So what's going to happen today? Not a lot of people, you see, this is the content, this is the material that every time people don't see. But this one very important. If you understand this, you earn a lot of money. You become very wealthy, you become very rich. You know how to read structure. This is the most important. Okay? But many of times when you start trading, you see where's the high, where's the low, cannot see, correct? So I'm going to teach you harmonic pattern. Harmonic pattern is using a series of Fibonacci. Okay? So if you have heard of this before, and if you have not learned from us, to a certain extent, I'm very sure your content is wrong. Bad pattern, you know how many rules are there? 2, 3, 5, 17. So start counting the things you read on material. Do you have 17 rules? If don't have, you got 15, 13 is okay. You only have 3 rules, your bad pattern is wrong. Okay, sometimes right, but most of the time wrong. Okay, careful. So, these are the levels that you're using. 38.2, 50, 61.8, 88.6. Fibonacci extension, 1618, 2224, and 2618. So how we go by using it, we are using a few Fibonacci, retracement, extension, expansion, and time zone. 4 kinds. Alright? Come, friend from Mexico, have a seat. Take down notes, there are a lot of things coming up. Alright, so what is a retracement? Retracement is like when you walk 10 steps forward and you take 3 steps back. That is retracement. So a retracement is the first criteria we are looking at. Alright, and of course the extension is when you take 10 steps forward and 13 steps back. The extension is 13 steps. Alright? So a bad pattern. Let's get going. First, you have to know how to look for your bet. Where is the highest and where is the lowest? So just now on the first part, I did mention that the easiest way to identify a trend is from highest to lowest or lowest to highest, correct? You thought I'm teaching nonsense? That's first step. Okay, got it? So X to A, that is the first rule. A retracement, minimum 38.2 to 50%. That means you have to draw your Fibonacci, X to A, lowest to highest. Okay? The retracement over here is 38.2 to 50%. If the candle touch 61.8, not valid. Okay? C, over here. You draw from Fibonacci A to B, the retracement is 38.2 at the minimum to 88.6. The candle cannot touch A. So if the candle wick touch A, invalid or warning sign. Warning sign. Because if it touch A, it's a double top. Okay? So once you got C, when C point is ready, B point, very simple. 3 rules. Listen carefully. First rule, X to A. That means lowest to highest again. 88.6. Then you draw one line. Okay? BC extension is between 1618 to 2618. Now, this is the tricky part. A lot of people draw wrong on BC. 1618 to 2618. That means minimum is 161.8. Maximum is 2618, 2.618. Meaning to say, 2618 cannot be before 886 is invalid. It has to be between 1618 to 2618. See. Let's say over here is your bad pattern. This is your 88.6% XA. Okay? Over here, let's say it's BC. Okay? Let's say it's BC 2618. It's not valid. Cannot. Okay? So it has to be 1618 to before 2618. 2618 have, if it's 2618, it has to complete before 886. But it can be 1618 BC. It's okay. Understand? And the third criteria, AB equals CD equal distance. Minimum criteria. So you use the furthest line and draw it and it become a box. This box is known as your PRZ, potential reversal zone. It's not conform reversal zone, okay? So you have to wait for confirmation. So from the chart, X to A lowest to highest, okay? This is 38.2 to 50 and this will become your B. A to B, retracement. This will become your C. And you draw the first triangle and you draw your X to A rule to find your 886. Draw one line, followed by BC, 1618 to 2618. Draw the second line. And of course, the third line will be AB equals CD. So these become your PRZ. Your stop loss, same thing. 1 ATR below X. Not below D, it's below X. Plus spread plus 1 pip. Okay? And you buy over here. Your target profit is 38.2 and 61.8 of AD. Okay? So before you enter the trade, ask yourself, your second target, do you have a 2-1 ratio compared to your risk? If the answer is don't have, then don't enter the trade. A good clue to you is you can look in terms of Forex, you can look at 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart. Usually they give you a very good 2-1 ratio. Daily chart, sometimes you have to be careful because the ATR, you add it inside, you sometimes target 2, they don't give you 2-1 ratio. But weekly chart will give you. It's weird, right? Alright? So, how to draw a bearish bet is the exact opposite. X to A, 38.2 to 50. BC, 38.2. A to B, 38.2 to 88.6. D price will be the 3 rules over here. XA, 88.6. BC, 1618 to 2618. And AB equals CD. Okay? Okay, so when the bearish setup is up, it's the same. You're looking for selling opportunity. Your take profit area will be from A to D, 38.2, target 1, target 2, 61.8. Your stop loss will be above X, plus spread 1 pip and 1 ATR away from X. Okay? So, these are all the examples that you get. Result is very good. Recently, my colleague in Hong Kong used it on gold. They earn a lot of money. It's a bearish bet. 2 weeks ago, Friday, they shorted gold. Alright? I have a couple of friends who want to buy some Bitcoin and keep, not for trading. So he asked me, Rayn, where to buy? At that time, it's at 9,000. I said, you wait for 7,009. Why? I don't know, but there's a bullish bet set up. So he buy at 7,009. 2 days later, the price fly. Alright, I heard the highest it went 10,000. Yeah, so it can use, but for Bitcoin, I use for higher time frame, like 4-hour daily chart. Okay, because not enough data compared to Forex. So these are the PRZ. So once you have PRZ, there are a few warning signs. So usually these are the 3 lines you are waiting for. If the price jump, don't enter. We don't trade. What else we don't trade? Okay, we use our RSI to help us to do filter. Our RSI to do filter. So RSI we also use 7. RSI 7. Overbought, oversold is 70 and 30. We change to 80 and 20. Okay, so we use the extreme 80 and 20. So when the market hit the PRZ, RSI have to be below 20. If RSI, or rather we are looking for a selling opportunity, you hit the PRZ for selling, the RSI have to hit 80. That means you have to go extreme. Okay? After candle confirmation, then you enter the trade. The most important, one of the most important filter that most people don't know is the Fibonacci time zone. Fibonacci time zone, the setting is of follow. We only use 1, 1.382, 1.618, 2, and 3. That's it. There's no in between. There's no 2.618. There's no 224. Alright? So 1, 1.382, 1.618, 2, and 3. So what does it mean? Pattern have to only complete after 1.382. That means the D price to complete at 1.382. If you complete before it, not valid, cannot trade. So recently, pound dollar, there is one pattern set up before 1.382, cannot trade. Have to wait for it to come back again. Alright? It's a warning sign. 1.618 to 2 is the best case scenario. Meaning to say that if the price complete between 1.618 to 2, this area is the best setup. But when I say best, please do not do all in, okay? I only reach 3.3% per trade. Target 1, I reach 1.1%. Target 2, I reach 2.2%. Yeah. Alright, I'm a very simple person. Fix. Alright? Yes. If the pattern complete after 3, not valid, cannot trade. Too long, it takes too long to move. Alright? So, these are some examples. Market hit between 1.618 to 2, this period, market just fly all the way. So if you're using harmonic pattern, bad pattern, and you are very good reading trends, the first part that I teach you, buy zone, remember? If you can read trends very well, yes, you can stretch your target. Alright, that's why our results are very crazy. Usually, I don't know about your target, but my target for target 1 usually about 40 to 50 pips. My second target is usually about 100 pips. And that's not my highest. My highest went to target 2 is about 400 over pips. Okay, and the good thing is we all post it on TradingView, because the good thing about TradingView, once I post it, it's fixed. I cannot change. I can see, even myself, I can see how the trade developed after I have analyzed. Alright? Very transparent. Alright, so these are some of the warning signs when the pattern set up after 3. So after 3, I don't take. Okay? I will still draw, I will observe, but I will not take. Okay? And of course, these are some other examples as well. Okay? So, I know today I speak very fast, in fact, and maybe we have some communication problem, correct? So over here, you can just scan the QR code. What's going to happen is we are going to support you for 1 year. So the first month, you will get my trade ideas for free, and usually I charge $297 US a month. It comes along with a software. If you have MT4, MT5, I will arrange a time to do a team viewer to help you to install the program in your broker. It's not broker specific, we are independent. Alright, we don't represent any brokers. Alright, and the software will spot the pattern for you, but most importantly, I hope you learn to spot yourself. All right, because I spot the pattern myself before I use my software. Okay, and what is going to happen? I'm going to give you 1 year support. That means whatever I teach today, please don't ask me other pattern. Only what I teach today. You got question, you ask. You can ask in Vietnamese, no problem. My program inside do auto translation. Alright, so we have started to talk to people in Bangkok, and in fact this is my 5th time to Vietnam. 3 times Ho Chi Minh plus this round, and 2 other times in Da Nang that we are invited speaker. Alright, so what's going to happen? Online support worth $2,000 over. This is the exact content that I teach my students how to trade, and they are trading right now as well. Alright, shouldn't be too difficult. My younger student is only 13 years old. Alright, these are the online support group. You get to see my entry, my stops, and my target clear cut. Alright, this is another pattern, this is sharp pattern. So you will get to see, if you're a subscriber, you get to see my other setups as well. But of course, I will not teach this. You get to see the stop loss, take profit, and target level. So stop loss 842 pips, target 1 is already 146. Alright, and target 2, I can't see very clearly, I think it's 267. Alright, so you hit entire trade, total 400 over pips in your single trade. Alright, so redeem now, and we will have this support group for you over here. And we have a software to help you to recognize as well. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. Scan this QR code, I see you there. My booth is beside FX Primers, in between of FX Primers and Crypto Hall. Alright, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much. See you. Thank you.